Welcome to another Health News video news release brought to you by Health News. In today's news, we look at 4 health benefits from consuming just a pinch of baking soda. Baking soda, also known as sodium bicarbonate or bicarbonate of soda, is a popular baking ingredient. Did you know baking soda offers several health benefits? Here are 4 health benefits from consuming just a pinch of baking soda. 1. Baking soda in your coffee helps neutralize an acidic cup of coffee to avoid stomach upset. 2. Baking soda can help counteract acid reflux. 3. Baking soda may relieve gout because its pH neutralizing effects may help to lower uric acid levels. And 4. Baking soda neutralizes stomach acid, which can help those who suffer from ulcers. You can improve your overall health by eating a nutritious diet right for your metabolic type, regular exercise, quality sleep, and a positive attitude. Remember, your best source for diet, nutrition, and supplement information is your metabolic typing advisor, functional diagnostic nutritionist, and functional medicine practitioner. Call them today. If you are watching this video on our YouTube channel, please subscribe. And if you are watching this video on our website and have not already done so, please add your name and email address to the form on this page. And that's it for today's health news.